Hi everyone, this is Jayaraman Vadivel. Welcome to Knowledge Express. Today we are going to see risk factors involved in bank lockers and the precautionary measures to be taken while engaging bank lockers. Let us get into the video. No banker is giving guarantee to the locker holder as to the safety of the articles, valuables putting inside the locker because they don't know even what you are putting inside and what you are taking outside. There is no control of it, and it is none of their business also. So we are putting the valuables inside the locker on our own risk and responsibility. Hence, certain precautions have to be taken while handling lockers. Now we see one by one. Precaution number one: all the locker holders should preserve the locker key very carefully because any loss of key will attract cumbersome procedures like break opening of the locker in front of the locker manufacturer, and the all such cost replacing the lock, entire lock will be borne by, it will be around 6,000 rupees will be borne by the locker holder only. So please preserve the key carefully.
We recommend to buy pre-IPO shares of Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, HDB Financial Services, HDFC Securities, and Suryodaya Small Finance Bank to earn 70% income in just 1 year. For buying and selling of unlisted and pre-IPO shares at best prices, please contact Smart Dream Consultancy Services at 8300802759 or 9940299647 or contact our landline at 0422 355 0310.
Come with us, grow with us, be a smart investor. Whenever we are going for locker operations, the bank official will come with us with his master key because master key and customer key will put together, will open the locker. So after opening the locker, the bank official will leave the locker room and the locker holder will operate the locker by taking some goods, valuables outside and may keep some valuables inside. So after finishing the locker operations, don't forget to close the locker with your key. If you close the locker with your key, the lock will be automatically closed. If you forget to close the locker, somebody enters next to you may take the valuables. The risk is there. So don't forget to close the locker after finishing the locker operations. Precaution number 3: some lockers will have extra locking facility. Customer can also put their locker in the place provided. Some lockers don't have such facility. So don't engage such lockers without the customer lock facility. Third lock. Apart from the 2 keys, one more lock we can put. Use our own lock. If the facility is not there, please don't take the locker. Why I am telling is, before letting the locker to the customer, both the master key and the customer key will be available with the bank only. If any of the fraudulent officials may have taken the duplicate, I think duplicate means they have made any duplicate of the keys, they may open the locker without our presence. So don't always, it is advisable always to put our own lock in the place provided for the extra lock. If there is no facility to provide extra lock, Don't engage the locker. This is the third precaution, very important one. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will come out with much more useful videos in the days to come. Until then, see you. Bye bye.